Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. Jamaica's trade deficit narrowed slightly for the period January to October 2024. According to the latest trade data, imports totaled $6.136 billion, reflecting a 3.4% decrease compared to the corresponding period for 2023. Total exports also experienced a decline, but decreased by 11.8% to $1.5 billion compared to $1.7 billion in the same period for 2023. The decline in import expenditure was primarily driven by reduced imports of raw materials, intermediate goods, and fuels and lubricants. The drop in exports was largely attributed to a 61.5% fall in the value of re-exports. Despite this, domestic exports showed resilience, increasing by 4% when compared to the previous year. All categories of fuel will see significant declines effective tomorrow. Each liter of 80 gasoline and 90 will sell for $1.77 less. Diesel will see $1.47 being shaved off, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by $1.44. Kerosene will cost $2.62 less. The cost of propane will fall by $1.51, while butane will lose $1.56. Each petrol station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. Trading ended today with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $157.96. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.56. The pound is going for $200.09, while the euro is selling for an average $165.19. To news on the stock market now. The JSE index declined by 247 points, while the junior market index advanced by 20 points. Among the 47 winners were Caribbean Assurance Brokers, JMMB Group 7.15% preference share, Edufocal, Pulse Investments, and Berger Paints. The 39 losers were led by T-Tech, Jetcon Corporation, Image Plus Consultants, JMMB Group 9.5% preference share, and Access Financial Services. 18 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.